mile 1, baby. We're doing 11 miles today with the boys. 5:30 on a Saturday. Let's go. Second mile, baby. 9 more miles to go. I still don't see the boys. I'm way ahead. Third. Good stuff, bro. Good stuff. Yo, let's go, Dan. Good stuff. Good stuff. We out here, 4th mile. We enter the streets of College Point or not? Whitestone, I believe. Let's go. Hill, baby, hills. Hills bay for the bills. Beautiful fall season. See the leaves changing. What a way to start this day. Let's go, baby. 7 mile with the guys in the back. Gabriel keeping up.